Hello and a warm welcome from the English West Midlands. We find ourselves at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers up against West Ham United.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
This is how it looks for the home side.
Well, they're playing with a 5-2-3, as we can see it here, but somebody has to step in to join those two midfield players. It could be one of the fullbacks or it could be one of the centre-halves, so keep an eye out for that.
Can they convert? And a goal! Not bad for starters. They take an early lead.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
So the ball moving again. Will there be a quick reply from Wolves? There needs to be. Pablo Sarabia. Nicely timed tackle. Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that. Really good challenge. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. Pablo Sarabia. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And they need to get tighter here. And making sure nothing untoward happened following the cross. Ward-Prowse. Well, that was incisive. Oh, so near, off the post. And I think the threat has been averted. The Hammers come away with it. No advantage coming into play, and rightly so. Promising looking attack from West Ham. Oh, could be. Oh, good work by the keeper. And putting paid to the danger. Good width from Wolves. Ward-Prowse. Room to roam on the wing for West Ham. And it might be. Vital intervention. Well, a good tackle. Oh, in with a chance. An alert piece of defending. Likes to run with the ball at his feet. And over the touchline for what will be a Wolves throw. Options in the middle. And the electronic board showing one additional minute. And a good-looking ball. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity.